In 2018 op-ed, Justice Breyer said that, quote, "The best way to preserve American values may well be to take account of what happens abroad," end of quote. Under what circumstances is it appropriate to consider international law when interpreting our Constitution?
Thank you, Senator. I have nothing but the highest esteem and respect for my former boss, who I've spent the better part of the past couple decades calling my justice, having clerked for him. But I do think that the use of international law is very limited in our scheme and in our judging. There are certain cases in which it is relied upon where Congress directs or where the standards are such. The case involves a treaty, for example, and you have to interpret international law in order to be able to address it. But there are very, very few cases, I think, in which international law plays any role, and certainly not in interpreting the Constitution.
I think you probably have answered my next two questions, but if you say you have nothing to add, I would still want to ask the questions. Do you think it's appropriate to look to international law when interpreting enumerated and unenumerated constitutional rights?
No, Senator.
Which specific, again, I think you've answered this, but I want to ask it anyway. Which specific constitutional clauses or rights has the Supreme Court held that can be interpreted by looking to international law?
I'm not aware of any that are properly illuminated by reference to international law.
Yeah.